Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new or if you're coming over from the playlist. I'm Holly, and today I'm getting to share with you a very fun collaboration. It is being hosted by Jim at Jim's Kitchen, and you need to go and check that channel out. He has great content there, lots of fun recipes that he makes, and it's just an all-around fun channel, and we love watching him, so please go and check his channel out. I know you will love him as much as I do. So for this collaboration, it is somewhat of a challenge in a sense that we make something with a box of macaroni and cheese. So that's what we're going to do. And I found a recipe on Pinterest that I thought was a good one, and we really enjoyed it. So hopefully you will as well. And please be sure to check the playlist down below of my YouTube friends who are making some really delicious recipes for this and some really unique ones. So hopefully you will enjoy that. So please be sure to check that out. And for this one, as I said, I'm going to leave the link down below in the description box of the recipe. And this one was really, really good. And it doesn't take a lot of ingredients at all. So you need a box of macaroni and cheese, of course. And you will just prepare it just as you would the box of macaroni and cheese. Whatever box that you decide to get, just use the ingredients, that it calls for. And make that just as you would. Then you need a can of Rotel tomatoes with the green chilies. Also, I'm using, it called for just sausage, some type of sausage. It called for ½ pound, but I'm using the Jimmy Dean hot sausage. I love that in recipes like this. Also, 2 cups of cheddar cheese divided, so just, 1 cup each. And ½ an onion chopped up. And that is it that you use for this recipe. So all I did was brown that sausage and the onions. At first I was just going to do ½ pound, but I ended up doing both. I did the whole pound, and that way I'll split it up and I can save the other half and use it at another time if I make it again. So I just brown that up and I just cook it until the sausage is completely cooked and those onions are translucent. And while I'm cooking this, then I will make my macaroni and cheese, because this does go pretty fast once you get all of that done. So once that's completely cooked, I add in the Rotel, and I did take half of that meat out, just so I'm doing the recipe as it says. And then I'm adding my cooked macaroni and cheese that's already prepared. And you will just put that in with some of the cheddar cheese, and you just put 1 cup. And then you're just going to mix this in. It does not take long at all. This is one of these fast recipes that I love making. So just mix it in, and you want to get that cheese to melt in. And it, like I said, it melts pretty quickly. Especially if you shred your own cheese from the block, and that's what I did instead of using, in the bag. So just mix that in, and then you just put that last cup of cheddar cheese on top, and you want to just let this melt. And basically I turned it off and just covered it and let it kind of melt a little bit more. And you can definitely use different meat in this. You do not have to use the hot sausage like I did. The recipe called for Italian sausage, which I didn't want to use. But you can use ground beef, ground turkey, ground chicken, whatever you'd like to make it your own. So this is what it looks like when it came out, and this is really delicious. So this is a great weeknight meal because it did not take long to come together at all. So just simple ingredients, but packs great flavor. So definitely took it up a notch, by making it this way, and jazzed it up a little bit. So perfect recipe. We really enjoyed it. Definitely one I would make again. Please don't forget to check the playlist down below in the description box of my YouTube friends making some delicious recipes for this. I know you will enjoy. Please don't forget to check Jim's channel out. I know you will enjoy his channel as well. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. Hope everyone has a blessed day. Thank y'all so much for watching. God bless y'all.